Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Yenko Replica. It does have a real 427 under that hood, backed up by a 4-speed manual transmission. How fun is that? And then you can rip those tires, guys, with that 12-bolt posi rear end. Beautiful body panels on the car, as you can see there. Chrome in the front is nice. You got your stock rallies all around with that big fat rear tire. Dual side sport mirrors. Trim is nice on the car, guys. The glass is nice on the car. And obviously the chrome, like I mentioned to you guys earlier. Just walking around this beautiful car, 12-bolt posi rear end. I think I mentioned that already. But the paint on this car is super slick. Look at this stance from here. I mean, it has the right look as well. Whew, love it. Black interior, 4-speed right there on the floor, guys. You got your rubber floor mats. Beautiful back there with the seat belts, the 6x9s. There's your headliner and your sun visors. Upgraded steering wheel, upgraded stereo system. Even the front valance here is all painted, all in there in that silver when they took this car apart. I'm going to pop this hood real quick. I want you guys to check out what's underneath here. You got your LED lights in the front. Hold on one second. All right, let's get this opened up, guys. Very excited. You see a lot of these Camaros set up with the Yenko stripes, but do they have a real 427 motor? This one does. Guys, power steering, power disc brakes, MSD ignition system, aluminum Edelbrock intake, Holley 4-barrel carb, chrome alternator, aluminum radiator, inner fenders are painted, headers upgrade, Yenko valve covers, all the rubber, the hoses have been all replaced, really sharp. And look at that, painted under the hood. Just look at the stance on this car, guys. And you know what? It rips the road. I'm not joking. Let's check this out. Let's move in a little further. Look at this in here. How clean is that? Look how clean the VIN number appears. This thing has been gone through. Door jambs, all original, guys. Look at this. All original, no boogers. Inner outers look great. I mean, look at this. Seat belts all intact. Factory Camaro seats. You got the Yenko set up there. Seat belts, 6x9s. RPM tech has been added. And look at that. The Hurst 4-speed trans, triple gauge package. You got your JVC CD player. Woo! Really? Snap, crackle, and pop, baby, like popcorn. Let's go. This baby is ready for the next owner. Look how nice that is, guys. Listen, give me a call. If you've been looking for a nice Camaro, guys, I've been in the business for 25 years. This car's solid. It's got everything you want, including, yeah, it does have a 427 in it when you pull up to that car show. Okay, you got that 4-speed right there, the 12-bolt posi in the back, buckets. What else do you want? What else do you need? Well, if you need it, grab a pen. I'm going to leave you my phone number. I want you to call me or text me with your zip code. I'll get you a quote delivered right to your freaking driveway. All right? Now, for those of you who need financing, it's not a problem. You got 10% down? We'll get you financed with good credit, guys. Not a problem. Go to the website, MGMClassicCars.com, upper right-hand corner. Click the finance tab. Fill out that credit application. But listen, before you do that, I need you to call me or text me and ask me, is this car still available? And then we can pursue, okay? If you got that pen handy, take this number down, 847-848-1850. Call or text. I prefer text. I'll get back to you faster. Just text me, hey, is the Camaro available? Okay, and I'll text you back. Or, hey, here's my zip code. How much to ship me the car? I'll get right back to you. Check us out, guys. Facebook, Marketplace. You can check us out at Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, man, how many other places are there? Facebook, YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Check us out, guys. Thomas, number 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.